What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In another video, I'm gonna prepare some deep fry breadfruit. But before I'm going in the video, I want to do a couple things to me. I want to like the video, I want to share the video to a friend, I share to everybody who you know. You see me? By doing that, I can help the channel grow. I really want that. I want to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Follow me IG Jeff876 and Yasel Ventures. The link for the page them in the description to the scroll on, click it and you follow up on the two page them, you see me? Because before I post on YouTube, a snippet I always post on IG. So open up on IG, can see welcome before I post on YouTube. So go with the man and give me a follow. Alright guys. In the previous video, I prepare some Ackee taco, right? With breadfruit. So the waste from the breadfruit, in the video I say I'm gonna do something with it, but I'm not doing it yet. Well, this is it. I'm gonna deep fry it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I get the waste from the breadfruit and how I cut my taco and them jump right into the video. But only count the full video because the link for the video there in the description. So one don't play the video here, one can just scroll along, click it on the description, go to the video and just watch the video and like, share and subscribe. Yeah. So let's jump right in the video now guys. Let's put them peel now guys, at time now cut it. Nice. And guys, you want to cut it with a sharp knife. So what I do, just cut it beside them and fry them. But them here now, but now but I fry them now. I used to do something else, so only can stay tuned for that. Yeah, this can do what I do. So I'm gonna look at this breadfruit. Yeah man. So I'm show you one can do the waste after I cut out them here. Alright guys, so some of the breadfruit on this morning. 2 egg black pepper and the salt and some flour with the seasoning in it. You see me? So but the butter now. Oh look at my bro. Oh, don't looks up like you have most of them good. Right, black pepper. A pinch of salt. And I put much salt in because the season already having salt in it. And this now guys is optional, back of optional. I mean you want to put in it and try it today. I don't know Maggie season, I fish this still now, so definitely all purpose. I got mix up. So I kind of put up them here. So I cut up mine, guys. Not too big, not too small.
That's an egg?
I can ready with this. I'll tell you with this. Alright, so see? Then goes up nice. Want some seasoning, guys, some paprika and season there, celery and everything there, yeah. I'll get some of them season there. And add the oil from this morning meal, but guys. And if a potato I use, like sweet potato, are the same procedure. Alright guys, so let them throw the oil, you know? Yeah man. Remember guys, you don't want to throw too much of the oil one time. Alright guys, so see you are going to look fluffy and nice. Yeah man. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Very nice. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna develop a sauce or a dip for this and then bring it back to you. Because only thing the shorter, I want a nice dip. It's very nice. So you can definitely try it at home. Everybody who might taste it, like it so far, so you can try it. But leave your thoughts down below. That's comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Give video a like, share it out, and follow the IG Jeff876 and Your Ventures. The link for the two page them down below, so click it and give me a follow. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow. You like it? Yeah man guys, so subscribe and stay tuned. And stress it guys, share the channel. No, share the channel link, share the video, share the video you like. Because more on the channel to reach 1,000 subscribers fast. So help me grow man. Help me reach my goal. I like how you look guys, nothing you like. The flour, you can net with crust and it's nice man, nice. So I'm gonna say you can try it because it's very nice. I show you no different way how you can prepare breadfruit. So now we roast it. I'm show you different style. You see me? I fry breadfruit chips long time for my boy, but we never like make the butter with the egg and throw it in it. We just cut it up, rub salt on it and fry it. So now I experiment and try new things and all that, and I show you ways how you can prepare breadfruit. Yeah. I had enough different ways. Just think creative out of the box and do it. Don't anybody say boy that can't work. I never anybody do it so that's not nice. Just think about it and execute it as best as possible. You see me? People tell me say boy Javon is so bias himself because some things that me do or some things that me talk about what I want to do. But how you kill yourself and whatever you cook and a poison and the poison itself. So I'm gonna comment below breadfruit chips or breadfruit wedges, whatever you want to comment. Yeah man, just leave in the comment section. So catch you in the next video guys. Look more. Guys, before we end the vlog, I want to say something. You see this breadfruit chips or wedges, whatever you want to call it, and I'm not sure what I'm going to title it as yet. This are great substitute for meat. When you eat this, you need one meat. It'll come like nuggets. It's like how when they dip the nuggets in the dip or sauce, or nice. I saw me feel like say if me develop a sauce or a dip for this, I saw it nice because I that taste that I give me and my family. So you can definitely try that at home and comment down below and tell me what you think about it. If you feel like say this would a nice with a sauce or a dip. So leave in the comment section guys.